On September 23, 2025, while on patrol, an officer observed a driver not wearing a seatbelt and initiated a traffic stop.
Ma'am, get in the car. I'm legally stopping you. Get in the car.
Why?
Because you're not wearing your seatbelt. That's why I'm trying to talk to you.
I'm not. No.
All right. You're gonna.
No, we're not doing this.
Okay, relax. 1 second, ma'am. Ma'am.
Excuse me.
Relax.
Why are you touching me?
Don't do this.
Move.
Okay.
Don't touch me. What's wrong with you? Don't touch me.
Ma'am, put the baby
No,
down.
I'm not putting anything down. It's my child.
Tango 32, 1050, 45, 109, 30. Ma'am, stay here though. You're not leaving. You're not leaving with the baby.
You're not touching me with my baby. Knock on the door.
Stay here.
Why are you stopping me? I was pulling into my house, though.
You're gonna get arrested.
No, I'm not. I have to go to work.
You're gonna get arrested. I don't want you to.
No, I'm not. Don't touch me with my baby. Don't touch me with my baby.
Did you just put your hands on me?
Don't touch me with my baby.
I'm just trying to get her ID. That's it. Back up.
Daddy.
Sir.
I don't know where he came from.
I don't want her to get her arrested. Just want to
Daddy,
give her a
I don't know where he came from. He just touched me with my baby.
No.
I don't know
it's
where
all on
he came
camera.
from.
I'm legally stopping her for her
Daddy.
seatbelt.
Okay.
She's like, I'm not.
He's not trying to do that.
I do. I'm not trying to escalate this, but she puts my hands on me again. It's gonna be
put your hands on me with my child.
Because you're not listening.
You touched me.
Okay.
He touched me. He pushed me.
Okay, do the
He
right
didn't ask me
thing.
for anything, Daddy.
Okay.
I was just driving.
Okay.
I pulled in.
Do the right thing and shut up. Get him in your license.
You think I'm here to give everybody a ticket?
No, he's not doing that.
If your baby wasn't here, this would have been very bad for you. Okay.
Let me get her. Get the dog, Ariel.
That's fine.
You gonna pull up on me? I didn't even do anything.
Tango 32, copy your tag.
Nowhere.
So, what?
Pull up
Breathe.
when I
Come here.
You're gonna tell me don't stop.
The devil is busy. The devil. And you cussing the police.
It's
She didn't have the
police.
baby in the seat.
I put it. He said I wasn't in my seat. Oh, just show me your license.
Just show me your license.
No.
Ma'am, you got your ID?
You can go to jail.
No.
You got your ID, ma'am?
I don't know.
You done everything she chose to do?
Yeah, just take the baby. Take the baby.
No.
You stupid.
No.
You are damn stupid.
Ma'am, I'm telling you, just stay here for a
Ask
second.
him what happened.
You're gonna take.
Ask him what happened.
Hear me out. All due respect, I'm gonna let her do her thing right now. If she goes inside, it's gonna be an automatic arrest. That's not fine. She's not wearing her seatbelt. Simple routine stop. If she refuses, that's.
He's bothering me.
I'm bothering you. Ma'am, you're not going inside. Don't do this. Don't do this. I promise you. Don't do this.
No, I'm going in the house. Why are you stopping me?
You're gonna get.
I was on the street right here.
Breathe. Get a man your license.
Tango 32 to the unit that just passed by.
Man,
Just
what you
east.
doing? So what? Give him your license. You ain't stupid. Give a man your
There's nothing
stuff.
wrong with your license.
Ain't nothing wrong with you. You clean. You never been in trouble before. Check
No,
out.
he's bothering me.
He ain't bothering you.
I'm bothering you.
He's not bothering. So I'm here. You ain't bothering
Ma'am,
her.
get over here. Get over here, though.
You see how this shit is?
The man just running your license.
Ma'am, stay over here now. All right. Go inside. I hope you do. All right.
The stop was legally sound. An observed seatbelt violation satisfies reasonable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977, the officer was authorized to control the subject's position at the scene. Repeated refusal to comply was the first violation. Refusing to produce a driver's license during a lawful stop is an independent basis for arrest in every U.S. jurisdiction.
I'm great. That's good. That's good.
Okay, and then do an unconscious raise.
I know you didn't do anything.
So what? If you didn't do nothing, why you talking?
Okay, so he's harassing you for nothing. Just be quiet. On the street.
Okay.
Turning in to come to my house. He's not doing anything.
Okay.
He just pulled up behind me.
Okay.
I didn't know. I passed by him. That's it.
Ma'am, it's just a traffic stop. It's just a traffic stop.
The man ain't did nothing.
Well, he caught up to you when you
He
parked.
caught up to me when I was right here turning in and didn't turn his lights on. That's why I was confused.
There's nothing wrong with
He was
that.
not following me the whole time or nothing.
Okay.
He just wanted out of nowhere.
So what?
You gotta go to work at 11
So what?
He was pushing and shoving me while I was trying to get my baby out the car.
So what?
That's why I'm like this.
Are you okay?
No, are you okay?
I told you to
No,
stay.
are you okay?
Shut up.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I told you to stay.
No, it's not okay.
I told you.
It's not okay.
You don't want to listen. You just
I
don't want
don't
to
have
listen.
to listen to you.
I know. So that's
I don't. That's the thing. I don't. I have free will. I don't have to listen to you.
There is free will. There is free speech.
So you shouldn't be bothering me. Go bother somebody that's really doing something.
Okay.
We are so sorry.
I'm in here like listening to the word of God and like, what the heck? I don't know what's
You got to know how to
Just be submissive. Just whatever.
submit yourself to these people. They ain't doing nothing. The man ain't getting nothing to you.
Ma'am, if you disagree with the citation, you can take that to court, okay?
That was so unnecessary. So what if you get a citation? He can't arrest you for nothing.
You breathe. It ain't that. Listen.
Okay, well, when you go to court,
Well,
you
if he tell you to
that.
speak yourself still, be still. That's it. Simple. They got a job to do, Bree. They got a job to do. That's it. They got a job to do. Okay, why didn't you just do what he asked you?
Because it was unnecessary.
Okay, even if it was.
Ma'am, listen. Let me try to explain it to you.
Listen to the man.
Typically, when we pull someone over, okay, for officer safety, we want them to remain in the car, okay?
But I just feel like I didn't need to be remaining in the car because he wasn't pulling me over till I got right here. He put on this light and I was getting out the car.
Ma'am, it's happening to you. Sometimes you don't catch up to the person. You're in the neighborhood, they get home, but you want them to stay in the car. You don't want people walking around, coming and going.
With me. I was getting
But
to my home so I
Bree,
could get out my car.
is they disrespecting you? No.
Yes, he did. He touched me.
Okay, but did you follow his order?
And then he gonna say that time I touched him. No, you touched me.
Ma'am, neither of us know you. In the past, we've had cases where people pull up and they pretend to live somewhere to get out of getting a ticket. So sometimes,
that's probably what he thought. But
okay,
I live here.
but we don't know that. So until we verify that, that's all it is.
Yeah,
We're just trying to conduct a traffic stop. We're just trying to.
If he would have stopped me back here, I would have stopped. I was trying to figure out why you wait till I get all the way to my house to put your lights on and tell me don't get out of my car where I live.
Man, so when we pull someone over, the first thing we got to do is we got to call it out on the radio. Sometimes the radio isn't clear. So until we can call it out on the radio, we're not allowed to turn our lights on, okay? So there's a whole procedure we go through that you may not be aware, but it's not we're not singling you out or anything like that, okay?
Yes, he did, because he was going the other direction and turned around to come this way.
Maybe,
So he did single
maybe he
me
witnessed a
out.
violation, okay? I'm not him, I can't speak for him, but that's how these things work.
Bree, it's not that. It's just doing what they tell you. If that man would have been gone right now. He would have been gone. That's the thing. You have to submit. If you would have just shut your mouth, it would have been all over. Ain't nobody here hurting you. And what they saying? Okay. What's to report, Bree?
What you mean, what's the report?
Because you're not listening.
Yo, steak, all right?
But why you acting so ghetto?
All right. I tried not going this route with you, but you're very confused about what's going on here.
I am confused.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Stop.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Don't touch me. It's just so simple. She's causing some.
Put your hands behind your back.
Ma'am, what? Put your hands behind your back.
So what's she going to jail for? What is she going to jail for?
That Leo.
Give me a second.
You're gonna get
On my stomach. I'm going to throw up.
You're gonna get yourself. Just put your hands behind your back.
Put her in my stomach.
Put your hand. Put your. Ma'am, look at her. She's resisting. That's what.
What is she going to jail for?
Battery on law enforcement.
Stop, Brianna.
Brianna, stop.
She ain't got no.
Turn over.
Oh, no.
Turn over.
Turn over.
Turn over.
Brianna.
Turn over.
Why are you doing that?
Turn over.
I can't. Where's her license?
I promise you, turn over.
This way, turn around.
My arm. I know it's not gonna go well for you. I'm telling you, go roll up. I want her to roll over. Other way. Other way. I don't want to hurt her.
Brianna, why you do that? You did. You shouldn't have said that. I told you don't say nothing.
Go in the house.
Brianna, I told you.
Turn over. Turn over.
You ain't never been arrested, but now.
Turn over.
No reason.
Turn over.
Okay, you don't like me. He's racist, Mom.
Ma'am,
He's racist, Mom.
turn towards me.
No. Brianna,
Can we take someone in custody? Stand by.
just take her in the, put it in the front.
Ma'am, turn over, please. Ma'am, you gotta back up.
Ma'am.
Back up. Turn over. Turn over. I'm gonna go to you.
Okay, come here.
Wait, I'm trying to...
Turn over. Stand over.
I'm not playing.
Grab the cuffs and release.
Put
your hand.
I don't care. They don't have to arrest
She
her.
did it to herself.
For what? What's she getting arrested for? I can't breathe. She not can't breathe. She what? What is she getting arrested for? I can't breathe.
Ma'am, stop.
I can't breathe.
Ma'am, wait, I have you on your side, okay? All right, sit here.
People should have kept her damn mouth shut.
Can you sit up, please?
I can't breathe though.
Sit up.
She got a machine in that car.
Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 2001, a custodial arrest for a minor offense, including a seatbelt violation, is constitutionally permissible. Physical resistance added 2 potential felonies: battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting with violence. A non-criminal infraction became serious criminal exposure through the subject's own conduct. The restraint is evaluated under Graham v. Connor, 1989. Active resistance was confirmed on camera. Ground control techniques fell within the use of force continuum. When the subject reported she could not breathe, the officer placed her on her side, the correct response, to positional asphyxia risk. Medical transport followed. Bystanders' verbal challenges were protected speech under City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. No bystander was subject to arrest for speech alone. The arriving supervisor stated, "I think some things were created here that were unnecessary." Under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983, that admission carries weight in any subsequent civil review. The officer's psychiatric inquiry asking if the subject was bipolar exceeded his role. Mental health assessment belongs to EMS, not to officers at the point of arrest.
It's fine.
Ma'am, sit up.
I was way too lenient.
I know you were.
Simple stop.
She wouldn't shut her damn mouth.
Sit up.
You not just extra thing. She just out going crazy. Get her grab. Get her grab. Get her thing.
I can't breathe. Why are y'all doing this for no reason? They follow me to the house for no reason and then try to pull me when I was parked.
Ma'am, are you able to sit up?
I can't breathe.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
I never did.
ma'am, can you sit up for me?
I can't.
Okay. How we gonna get you up?
I don't know. I don't have on any under.
We're just gonna stand you up.
Get in the house.
Come on.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Stand up.
Head to the car.
My clothes.
We'll get you your shoes, all right?
I didn't even do that. I'm getting arrested for nothing.
Hold on. Everything's gonna be all right.
I'm getting arrested for nothing.
Yeah, 100%.
I don't even know why I'm back here.
Have a seat in there, ma'am.
Told you to shut your damn mouth. I told you to
I
shut
don't
up.
care. I still don't care.
Have a seat.
I just can't breathe.
Can y'all take this with her? Cause she
We can't do that. Men, put your shoes enough.
You wear shorts?
She don't have any.
Mom,
I
can
need
you,
the name and the badges of everybody.
yeah, can you put the shorts on her?
I'm gonna get messed up.
Can you put your shorts on her?
Ma'am, I'm here right now, Sergeant Weissman.
Get in.
Okay?
Breathe.
Let me-
Hold on,
let me-
hold on,
let me-
hold on.
let me-
You gotta understand, she's not a little kid. Back up.
I need to don't talk to her like that. Don't talk to her like that. Say what you want, pussy. Don't talk to my mama like
Get
that.
inside.
No, you.
Get inside.
Hey, Brianna.
Okay, we're done here.
Get in.
We're done here. We're done here.
Ma'am, get in the car.
No, what the name is. Is this? No, it's the. My daughter works
Listen, it sounds like if she just cooperated for a simple
My
seatbelt.
daughter works for ICE. She's coming down from Pompano. She's gonna get her out.
Yeah, that's fine. You saw everything.
Yeah,
You know what
yeah.
happened.
She just won't listen, man.
I think some things were created here that were unnecessary, right?
It was very unnecessary.
Oh,
We're
because she just
trying
got
to
a
be
little
hard
seatbelt.
on
Little
her.
seatbelt. I don't want to give her a kid. I take it with kids here. You don't grab your kid out, so I can't do my job. You don't do that.
Just try to be a little lenient. But we here, we see what happened. Things could have took another. Things could have took another turn. Let me call my lawyer.
I didn't know where you were. Some 109th and
Yeah, 45th.
oh Jesus! What's her issue, dude? What's her issue?
She don't have-
Does she have anger issues? Honestly, because we're gonna have to put cuffs on her legs, put leg shackles. We're not putting. Roll down the window. Roll down the window. Do you want leg shackles on? You need to calm down. Why? Is she bipolar, ma'am?
Grades. The arresting officer receives a B. The stop, identification, request, and arrest were each legally supported. The officer explained procedures and offered court resolution before escalating both credited. Deductions. Bystander perimeter was poorly controlled. The psychiatric question was outside scope, and the extended tolerance period made physical restraint inevitable. No constitutional violation is apparent on the footage. The subject receives a C+. Initial confusion about the stop's timing was legitimate. It is not a legal defense to noncompliance. Refusing a license, refusing lawful commands, and physically resisting are 3 independent violations. Her own family advised compliance. That advice was correct. It was not taken. Lessons learned. 1. Compliance ends stops. Non-compliance creates charges. The court is the correct venue to contest a citation, not the scene of the stop. 2. Officers must state arrest grounds clearly before initiating physical control. Ambiguity increases resistance and civil liability simultaneously. 3. When a subject reports a medical condition during restraint, contact EMS immediately. Positional asphyxia is a documented cause of in-custody death. Delay is not defensible. 4. A supervisor's verbal acknowledgement of unnecessary escalation must be documented formally. An informal admission without a report protects no one and changes nothing institutionally. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.